Hey guys, it's me Tammy and I'm back with another video. How exciting. In this video, I'm going to be doing some arts and crafts. So basically we're going to be creating a wonderful, beautiful, and creative gift for someone for it's on Valentine's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, just a big celebration to celebrate that person. And this one is a particular personal gift. I give very personal gifts when it comes to someone special. So you're gonna watch me create something fantastic. I'm so excited about this particular item. Now I'll show you. To my right, I have a fire extinguisher, but this fire extinguisher is basically a mini bar. So that's why we have our Jack Daniels here to my right, and my items that I will be using to create a wonderful gift wrap. Well, I'm going to be gift wrapping. I'm going to be gift wrapping this particular item and designing it in the inside. So stay tuned while I create magic.